Myself S. Charitwardhan and roll number is 2200069077. Today I'm going to present about the properties of ideal and practical switch. So the switch is an electric component that can make or break the circuit. A switch electrically works and mainly works on the principle of on and off mechanism. There are two types of switches called ideal switch and practical switch. Now, ideal switch. Ideal switch is nothing but an imaginary switch. It should have zero resistance or zero voltage drop in on state and during off state. And during off state, infinite resistance or zero current during off state. In other words, the power loss across the switch should be zero both in off and off state. And it should be closed and open instantaneously independent of current through it. In the closed state, it should conduct current only in one direction. The resistance to reverse direction must be infinite. Now let us see the characteristics of ideal switch. The switching characteristics of an ideal switch are shown below. Here IC is the controlling signal that controls the T on and off of the switch. From time 0 to T1 the switch is closed. From time T1 to T the switch is open. These are the characteristics of the ideal switch. Now let us see the characteristics of a practical switch. Now the practical switch has non-zero resistance in on state and finite resistance in the off state. The time taken to the switch to change from off state to on state, that is turn on time and turn off time isn't the same. But when it comes to the ideal switch, the turn on time, the turn off time is same.